Hey, amazing teachers! You know that moment when you're trying to explain something brilliant, like how tango hombre doesn't mean I have a hamburger, and two students in the corner are reenacting a soap opera? Instead of yelling silencio for 47th time, try this. Pick one silent hand signal that means zip it. My go to is simply raising my hand with two fingers up like I'm ordering peace and quiet off of a menu. The best part, it's sneaky fast and doesn't interrupt your flow. The students catch it, their friends catch it, and suddenly it spreads like classroom Wi Fi, except it actually works. Here's how you make it stick. On day one, or honestly, day anytime, tell your students this hand means stop the side convo and get back in the game. Practice it like you just practiced vocabulary, because classroom management is vocabulary. Run a quick demo, pretend to talk, see the signal, and dramatically oops yourself back into listening mode. The kids laugh, but then they remember. Bonus tip, give positive shoutouts to the first student who notices and adjusts. Instant peer pressure magic. And here's the kicker. Pair the silent signal with eye contact and a slow teacher walk. You don't need words, just presence. It's the classroom equivalent of Batman showing up on the rooftop. Quiet, but powerful. You'll look calm, they'll fall in line, and you won't lose your voice trying to shout out teenagers. Try it tomorrow and watch the room go from chatter to chill in just seconds. Want more easy strategies like this? Grab the CI Survival Kit, now with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. It's like having classroom superpowers in your back pocket.